every single day in India is basically trying not to get race bait by people. I'll be very, very honest. Nothing beats the amount of stupidity people have in India in terms of driving any kind of a vehicle. Any kind of a vehicle, bike, scooty, car, tractor. 1:47 p.m. Well, it's a perfect time to grab some good coffee. I mean, it's about to be evening. I mean, ठंड start हो जाएगी from 3 p.m. onwards. In Dehradun, it basically happens like that. What are these people doing? He is overtaking him and he is overtaking him. And I was overtaking him. That means I'm overtaking both of them. But I was overtaking a third person as well. So I was overtaking 3 people at the same time. Wow. The amount of traffic going up day by day in India, I would say in India, not really in Dehradun, in India, is mostly because of how people behave on the road. It's not really about the population. I mean, there is some stance about the population and how that's a beautiful Jeep, man. I love those things, man. I love those things, vintage type of thing. Sweet slumber. That's pretty. So the amount of population growing every single day in India doesn't really impact a lot. I would say it does impact somehow, but not really impacts a lot. So I think it's basic civic sense that comes around when it's about the traffic that is increasing. If people really manage to know how to drive their vehicles, I think the amount of traffic would be 30 to 40% less in about no time. Trust me on that. Also, one more thing, I always look in my mirrors before I'm trying to take any maneuver, and now this is basically a habit of mine. I mean, it has been a habit of mine. I don't really take a maneuver until and unless I am sure about the fact that there's no one coming from behind. And if there's someone coming from behind, I always try to resist and brake. I never turn. Even if someone is stopping in front of me, I never maneuver to the left side or the right side. I always brake at the back of them, because that would allow me to personally maintain some distance from the person who's coming from behind, and I won't really be involved in any kind of accident that might happen. Because you are going straight and someone is stopping in front and you are taking a left, the person coming from left can hit you at a speed of around 20-30 kilometers, and that can be dangerous as well. So that's one of the factors. Oh my god, is that an autobiography or a Range Rover Sports? Not really sure. GLS. I absolutely love coming to this cafe, man. And look at this guy. इसका वाइड व्यू बहुत बढ़िया लगता है मुझे, अल्ट्रा वाइड।
देखो ये चाहिए होगा,
ले लियो।
चाहिए क्या होगा तो
इससे पता, इससे यू कैन लाइव स्ट्रीम एज वेल। ट्राइंग टू वियर्ड एज कॉम्बिनेशन राइट ओवर हियर।
मैं नहीं
व्हिप्ड क्रीम विद एवोकाडो।
अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है। टबास्को आई वुड नॉट प्रेफर दिस फॉर रियल।
बिल्कुल भी मत करना ऐसे वाले काम, वरना आप पछताओगे।
मैं कभी प्रेफर नहीं करूँगा इसे टबास्को, वो बस कंटेंट के लिए मैं कभी
कंटेंट के लिए कुछ भी कर रहा है।
एंड ऑल्सो विल ऐड सम ऑफ
ऑरिगेनो।
ओके,
वेट, दिस इज ब्रूटल भाई, क्या कर रहे हैं?
एंड ऑल्सो
चिली
फ्लेक्स,
ऑल्सो ऐड दिस वन,
ऑल्सो सॉस। भाई मत करना यार प्लीज़ मुझे हेट यार, मैं ऐसा इंसान नहीं हूँ, कंटेंट के लिए कर रहा हूँ बस। ऑल्सो I don't know what shit it is this, पर ये देखने में shitty है. Cherry on top हो गई ये तो जी. 3, 2, 1.
क्या? We are at Lolo right now. A very beautiful cafe, very small and a very beautiful cafe. Not really small, but it's very beautiful. Look at the vibe.
Hi.
We just got our coffee, and it's 4:30 p.m. right now. Oh man, we spent some hours, some good, lovely hours, having some good conversations, and we tried cafe hopping, but we were mostly full, so can't do a lot with that. That felt good, man. Also, I was thinking about making a vlog on the Duke 390, but more of a vlog where I'm telling you guys the power, the feature, and mostly about all that stuff, like in detail, like showing you guys around with the bike, how it feels like being on a Duke 390. I'm planning to get an exhaust on my Duke 390 because the stock sounds decent but not too good. And I'm very much excited to get an exhaust because not really an exhaust जो बहुत loud हो, not really an exhaust that's very uneasy, that goes very uneasy on the ears, but an exhaust that feels very bassy, समझ रहे हो? Like that has proper bass and is not crisp. I don't want a crisp voice. Crisp voice is basically आपने ड्यूक 90 पे शॉर्ट कैन लगा दिया होगा ऑस्टिन रेसिंग का या फिर SC का. So I don't want to get a short can. I want to get the R1M exhaust on the Duke 390. That sounds good. Also the long can of SC project, that looks good. So I don't want to get an exhaust on the bike that sounds very crisp. Bass is what I really need because bass is not really loud. Bass is like basically oh my god, that's a beautiful Harley 48. Looks like one. Whatever that bike was, I think it was a 48. I'm not really sure. Maybe an Ion 883, maybe and it's coming right over here. Yeah, it's coming right over here. I am not really sure what kind of a bike is that. I am very much confused about how it is 48 and what is it the Ion 883. Maybe it's neither of them and it's something else. You surely never know. The bass of that exhaust feels good. So that kind of an exhaust is what I really need. I mean, I can't really get that kind of a voice. What I want is that bass. It's not too loud. You hear that? It's not tripling. It's not too loud, but it's very much up to the point that it's pleasing to the ears. So even if you go somewhere long on that particular bike or on this bike with an exhaust that's very much bassy and not really loud, it won't really be harmful to your ears. And I would love to show you guys the vlog in which I'm getting my exhaust installed. Obviously that would be the first modification in the bike. Nothing has been changed on the bike. I got a message from Asim. Leading conversations BBA General Batch 1, sorry. 7 notifications. Am I in trouble? Nah, can't be it, right? Beautiful Super Meteor 650.
Bonus. Also, they said that कि भाई कैमराज अलाउड नहीं है, बट आप फ़ोन के कैमरा से रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो. एंड वी डोंट नो उसका सेंस बना क्या. लाइक क्यों फ़ोन का कैमरा अलग है, मतलब नॉर्मल कैमरे से क्या मतलब हम चोरी कर देंगे, स्पाइंग कर देंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है भाई स्पाइंग कर देते हैं. एंड दैट वाज लोलो गाइस, लोलू, इट इज़ रियली गुड.
लुलू.